Hi guys, Bea here. This is another video of the Alternatives to series. And today I'm going to show you alternatives to PowerPoint. Before I show you my favorite alternatives to PowerPoint, I want to remind you that you can subscribe to the channel by clicking the button right below this video and also ring the bell that's right next to it to get notified whenever a video is out. I publish videos, tutorials, courses every week, so don't miss it. So we all know what PowerPoint is. It's the most popular presentation software. It's been around like forever. It's a very powerful tool where you can build from school presentations to business presentations. But PowerPoint gets a bit pricey, although there is an online free version that you can use. It has limited features, and to get all these extra features, you will need to pay for the license. Also, although PowerPoint is really a great tool, some people might find it a bit hard to use because it's not that intuitive or even visual. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 free alternatives to PowerPoint. First alternative is called Google Slides. Anyone with a Gmail account has access to slides, docs, sheets, and forms completely for free. This tool runs on your browser, but if you want to make any creations from your phone or your tablet, then you need the application. You can download the app for Android and also for iPhone and iPad. Here you can work together in the same presentation at the same time. I mean, in real time. You just have to share the link with other team members and you can edit it. This means that if you have a group project, you don't need to be in the same place. Everyone can be in different locations and work together. Another feature that I love is that you don't have to hit save again. It automatically saves your designs, so you don't have to worry about losing all your work whenever your computer crashes. You can also open, edit, and save Microsoft PowerPoint files. You can convert them, so you don't have to worry about file formats anymore. You can share your presentation with a link, or you can even download it in several different formats. You can see that the interface is pretty similar to PowerPoint, and also the tools and the menu are also pretty similar. Works basically the same. This is a template that I've chosen from the library, so just by clicking here you can edit. Here you have all your slides. Same thing, just click and edit, and if you need to drag any element, here you get text box. And also here you get different shapes, images, and more. My next favorite tool is called Prezi. There's a free version and there's a paid version too. Free version is pretty great, but obviously the paid version has more features. In my opinion, Prezi is very user-friendly. I think it's more intuitive. It has really nice templates, and I have to say the animations here in Prezi are amazing. You can create beautiful presentations without being a designer. And also you can open PowerPoint files. As Prezi is browser-based, if you want to edit your presentation offline, then you will need to get the license. Also with Prezi Free, if you want to share your presentations, you get a link. And if you want to download these presentations, then you would also need to get the license. You can teamwork presentations by adding collaborators. This is what I love about Prezi. You get to change the colors pretty easily. You have different color palettes and you can actually choose different ones here. It's also pretty simple when you need to insert new elements. I'll show you in this video how they do it because it's pretty amazing. By clicking on Insert, you can add different topics, story blocks, text, image, and icons. But the best are story blocks. You'll see now. So these are the story blocks that you can use. So just choose, for example, a map. You have different maps, and I'm going to choose a world map. See how a world map is added? So it actually zooms in. Just like that. And guess what? Whenever you preview this, it has this same effect. So it's really, really cool. Third tool is Adobe Spark. It also runs on your browser. In Spark, you create beautiful presentations that are automatically animated. It uses a drag and drop interface, so it's pretty easy to use. If you want to fully control the layout of your presentations and also all the transitions and animations, Spark might not be the right tool for you. It's great if you need to build something really quickly and you don't have much experience building presentations. Also, you cannot in any way download your presentation. You will always depend on internet connection. The only option you get is a link that you can share with others. Some people think as Spark as a website builder, but it's not, as there's no way to export these assets. It's a bit similar in a way as the presentations are created in what they call a web page. So you need to scroll down with your mouse to show your presentations. Unlike other tools where you create slides, here you're actually just creating one page with different sections. So yeah, in my opinion, if you need to build something really quick, Spark is your tool. I find the tool very user-friendly. Whenever you click on the plus icon, you get all the blocks that you can use. Spark has a free starter plan and also premium plans. If you are a Creative Cloud subscriber, then you have Spark Premium included. Some of the premium features are removing the watermarks and access to other premium features. My last favorite tool is Canva. It's also browser-based and you can create any kind of graphics for social media, and now you can also create really cool presentations. If you're not familiar with Canva, you should know that it's a great tool, really easy to use to create graphics. The problem with professional programs like Illustrator or Photoshop to create these graphics is that they have so many tools that it takes you a while to understand how these programs work. So Canva is the kind of tool that makes everything simple, and it also uses a drag and drop interface. So about presentations, you got a bunch of templates, really modernized looking templates. You can download your presentation in different formats, and you should know that how Canva works is that you've got lots of free elements to create your designs, but there are other elements that you need to pay for. As an example, you can see that here there's an image with a watermark. So if you want to download this, it says that it reminds you that there's a premium image that costs €1 or $1. So whenever you want to add more photos or elements, you can see that you got a lot of free elements, but you also have these premium elements. And in Canva, you can also share your design with your team so they can edit it too. An important con in Canva is that animation is only available if you upgrade. And if you want to know the price, you got 30 days for free to try it. And then you have to pay a monthly or yearly fee. Then which tool should I use? Which one's the best? Well, I guess this depends on your needs and what kind of project you're working on. Also, if you have any experience building presentations, it might be more challenging to build a presentation in Google Slides than it is to build one in Canva or Prezi. Slides, Canva, Spark, Prezi, they're all really great tools. They're all pretty different, but they have something in common. These tools are browser-based, so you will depend on internet connection to work with them. So if you're still not sure which tool suits you best, here are the highlights of each. Slides is 100% free. Interface is pretty similar to PowerPoint. You can teamwork sharing the link, and you can download this presentation in several formats. In Prezi, you can work on templates with beautiful animations, but you will need to pay the license if you want to work offline and export your presentation. You can zoom in to specific elements, and this effect looks really amazing. And as you can zoom in, you can also zoom out back to the slide. In Spark, you can create stories. Instead of creating slides, you will be creating a one page with different sections. These sections are automatically animated, but if you want to remove the watermark, you will need to pay for the license. In Canva, you get stunning templates with lots of free elements, but you will have to pay for the premium ones. You can export your presentation in different formats, and you will only be paying for the premium elements that you're using. But if you want to add animations, you will need to upgrade. In this video, I wanted to show you my selection, my favorite alternatives to PowerPoints, the one that I would use depending on which situations. I've heard people say that presentations are not that important. What is important is the content and the speaker. But I don't fully agree with that. I think that if you build a powerful presentations with animations and colors, make it look nice, you will catch your audience attentions right from the beginning. On the contrary, if you show them something, I don't know how to say, basic, normal, or boring, then your audience will be bored and you won't get their attention. And remember guys, hit the subscribe button and the bell right next to it to get notified whenever a video is out. See you next time.